It is nothing but settings. I was Honorable Kojo Oppong Nkrumah. I very reacted to NRA 419 State of the Nation address na students Edukoma Ghana for no for 419 just fragadam 419. Or should I say a full of settings. There's a bibi ombiano settings no could say no Mahama no could didn't know. Remember actually would watch a waje amabe. I comment section. I Penyah block me the mess was say any demo. Obe like if video no that go subscribe button some click notification code of latest updates number chere wa agenda ma me e wo comment section so baso na che for anya bi ahwe so enra ana excellency the president John Dramani Mahama okopie mu e wo Ghana parliament na audit the state of the nation address every Ghana for just say o man ye gina bere baby ye gina as of yesterday na Ghana ye gina say eneme ko say ye kɔ enim ana ye kɔ echi ene ade Mahama ekasa na ne nsɛm no obrobro nsɛm bebrebe na so okaya ka kyerɛ Ghana for sɛ basa kala mitri ne grache we bia ye ya koduru no ekwan ni nye o ekwan ni nye enti mumfa seat belt no mumfa mie mu mumfa mfa mu because ansha ka de be ko off road ara be say Matthias ibon kamina kukuru sam. What terms of fasten your seatbelt. And yesterday, many people were having some kind of expectations in the State of the Nation address, but Mahama didn't meet to the expectation. But this was kind of see one time be even to the point they saying they in the year 2025 they created jobs for 1 million people. Any 1 million way. Emma no there as you cray. Menim nipa kro twere that state of the nation address Mahama was able to say what to bomb kese e say go ketekete program no go ketekete na wache 720 bed and go kon wache ba ko 720 ama 13,000 farmers I say how can you share 720 bed to 13,000? Hey, and 1,000 13,000. Oh, thank you. Here, 1,000 the correct say nipa mienu bia benya akoko baako. But we there 13,000. It means say 1:18 farmers. 1 chicken, 18 farmers. And I say, "Mon parents are there akoko mun chem. Ye twa ne ti, ye da ba we. Ne no so no, there da ba we. There twa na go ku da ba ye twa there for the. I don't go 18 and sound so 18 but how much they say. How were you able to share 720 bed to 13,000 farmers? It's try Sunday. Mahama has already finished the Messamo. Home be out running, Mumuntu Mano. Home, I want to chat Robia or Harry or Charan or Chaco, Vivian Epre, Vivian Cano or Chatra. Vivian Cano, Vivian touching Messamo, Yamwachina. As sons of God for become close to you, Mahama Basolia, Mundi deliverance, Cassia, Mundi because my bear, no, you knew. I understand. You knew the best I can be the Indian way to know about Mundi cross home or the Casa, and you knew their own free, you knew more. And so when I'm Mahama Kaya, and Honorable Kojo Oppong Nkrumah to them say at the end a settings, and you be a master a setting. Pure settings. The whole of the nation address a settings.
Message on the state of the nation, no. So I will describe a message in one word. I bet
settings.
Message in a settings.
Settings and qua.
Message in a settings.
No, Obi. It is a tries or better difference between labor force. No, or my penny in Nipa in any Juma in the last 1 year.
Also more than 1 million in the first and the third quarters of 2025.
Okay, 2 million.
Yes.
Bill phone lines.
Okay.
Nakase, Omo Menye Juma no mo friend no mo kancho.
No, that's it. Because you want to be some castle be any Juma kra.
1 million. What a film with a friend is Scarface? What that?
Scarface. I've me who posted about me share. I've seen Scarface and it.
Okay, Scarface.
Yes.
One of the first scenes. As someone opening a kitchen and boyfriend say, "Never sniff your own cook." Wow, what idea no? Men numbi. And you see, the point is that Abino now they are believing their own propaganda.
Because
almost former public na normal.
Yeah, Kojo unim say me busa Felix say sa 1 million jobs, no. Me contrast here no with what the your friend is saying, government statistician within the same period, no say a little over 300,000 jobs and abe are they on. But Felix said omo the data omo EU so no the labor force statistics Ghana Statistical Service na the buy and omo labor force na
oh say obre
oh that be your kind na make catch oh yeah or see a labor force there no more
Uri jai brofonika Kojo Oppong Nkrumah second na kasa asemu bu ankofo be book ra nyebini
oh adan
1 million
also labor force number now moving from 14 million to 15 million by the end of 2024 2025
Pachoti minka
meteon kapa
mesi Kojo Oppong Nkrumah second na fa mega for na kasa asemu bu ankofo be book ra nyebini It is not the lived experience of the people. And how Kojo Oppong Nkrumah kasa asemu bu ankofo be book ra nyebini and how Kojo tamale overpass no interchange na o man Penyah akufado ye ko gina se na kasa asembwe kofo bo be bo kra nye bini say 1 million
yeah also 1 million yes in fact more than 1 million in 2 quarters first quarter and third quarter 2025
that's it
unyini
enye se me na minji mi so opa Kojo Oppong Nkrumah second na kasa asembwe no enura na me hwe video from Mokola Market.
Yes.
NDC 4 moto abama NDC aban. Mokola Market. Kojo na kasa asem wetro bo mbe bo kura nye bin. Obi.
Yes.
Mr. Aban no. Omba no. Omaye 1 year and 2 months.
Yes.
They still have an opportunity say propaganda and settings no mbe jai. No me see formatie the ankofo can no respond to. Obi yen wa bem for 8 years o. Etori bia oti wona government statistician de data bia bro. Na so why you na woka. Usi former na don se nkofo be kire say they are more kekano and say who to the highest degree. Me my information minister da o. It me the brief bro bet na 2 hours. Obe si form no obi nya okra bo obe bo okra nye bini. Me yem min tanke sie na achrew ti so bi krawo ka chrew man penin say o ma create adwuma 1 million ana nko for more than 1 million na nye adwuma 2025 imu a o man penin me sada min sayem menyu omu ni da ombe mo aye simpapeni a o ke kansem wo soro na form no obi anim say asem ne nya no kre me so de opa wo o say bonzo Philip Kojo Oppong Nkrumah circle na fa megaphone na kasa asem bu ankofo be bu kra nye bini
no but are you saying say even when Felix claims say quote from GSS data
me see my information minister da na say Felix or minister for government communication Felix me nua pa no me mami krom ene ne mami krom ye baako ye nyine fi abra se buku amankese me mami krom ene ne district ye baako minua pa no Felix Kwachifosu me kodu ba bi na nkofo obo na meje no minua no me ka kire minua Felix say sa data na Ghana Statistical Service for their brom say inflation do 3.8 nipa 1 million nenye adwuma ne ontungu no nsi fem me na me information minister o the graph sheet baby no ma draw line and cost rosro now so abegina bontina kika say nipa 1 million jobs have been created si form na hwa de na be say they omu kika kire on the akika no any nkofo lived experience na boebra 100%
boebra
unzo kan na mesre
yes
mesro o man pani minsada minsayem why a 1 year be 2 months si form Eni sanko for na chi so omo say enra your parliament no dey be omo say accelerated
the finance ministry they buy you know
over crowd parliament say accelerated reserve accumulation policy document you go can was about gold purchase program no they buy na and no matter the din fufuro no my Ghana flag ato no dey abekere finance minister no so gina parliament keke you ko mu adada no a
and almost say it can never be true but because before some of
we approve onim.
Oh, so say on the sona no.
No chemeba.
No on the sona no.
No meba.
Okay.
Or say they will vehemently resist that narrative.
Yes, during the sona debate.
Yeah, we have to swap back rather than run here to swap. On your way.
Yeah, on the policy there no.
That's where we have to swap. The narrative is settled. Everybody in the Republic of Ghana, Mr. Yama Fwa, or your people teacher. Our child there were chimps were drew. If we do 60 years for retirement or teach menu man say, you go a password you bro. Him said that debate is settled. Say Nipa the gold purchase program by you know, needing the Dr. Mahamudu Baumia. The purchase of consultants been out here on $350,000. No much chichiri krata fufu binom the Ghana flag ni document atoso no be Ghana parliament say accelerated reserve forget it obi anim de ekoso o mesrew nti so onka sa fi no mo be vehemently raise ya toso abawie no an approve ma mo parliament so nya where me catch and apparently and no ni parliament ya toso abawie.
Yeah, I heard your presentation away on the floor. If I same way, but on the counter way, they say before some of the no now 8 tons be or that meaning say Ghana buy no moto gold is ye dada.
That's exactly gold, no domestic gold, no external gold. You're about me and the domestic. Eba say yemfa Ghana city, yemfa gold. Niemfa kan ye reserves so you calculating in dollars a reserves be cost and I yemfa city yemfa to ASM gold niento nya forex niemfa kan reserves so reserves no be cost you about me and buy 2021 ye wie san common kra and then no am share na tade for the base ye nto so aba hwe maka tell say wotna air condition office ni mu na tie dia you technocrats in the church of Bernard, so the Namanaki can be said, we're creating 1 million jobs with the accelerated reserve accumulation. Hey, by yourself from now, me pachopa obi dabako me no tunchia next week me trans studio nye studio Hon Nkrumah ko debi ko abuso kan ko issue fa wo bi equipment nyina ko Nama spare parts for no, omunu medin komo about VAT. Abane se wate VAT so anamewa.
Yes.
Kotna aboso kan. Nama spare parts dealers no, omumbe tena wanim. No mon kan kire the reality on the ground. E wona abu se brofo no mo kano. It doesn't correspond to the reality on the ground.
The reality on the ground.
Yeah. Me see me my information minister that was 7 years. Mustafa Abdul Hamid meeting so anama sorry. Ono ye 1 year. No, sorry, you know, they are going to mammy. It's now 7 years. What you want on the paper, be a bro say, you created 1 million a juma. Now, so in Namnaki can be. And we are on Penyah Parliament, or Kase, and the cocoa, and the international, and the cocoa, and the international. I'm really dim, you see, oh, my penny. Oh, penny. Pacho si form. And first, soldier for any bodyguard for any, I didn't do it. See form. No. Ekurana sia ye tokoko ne bisa wom say video now toku na akoya bra o say koko ekuafo ne say wo da na bibia ye okay no kra na si fom ho na be timi pa cho obi
yes
kemi say Dr. Mahmoud Baumia otena ben mu mfie nwotwe no nema bi o ye ko yi nema bi anko yi obetena fie no we sunya nema MP before yes niema na the abine here now say we're creating 1 million jobs me so the upper Hon Nkrumah circle na ko cancer asemi ona obi say
Felix busa me question be my memfa musa or say on one hand must say Dr. Bawumia was not the man in charge of the economy. Now about gold for reserve near the day must say Bawumia na the buy. Which is which?
On Tiasia, Mamin or no cabinet or no a minister.
Mhm.
And it may be what the Beko cabinet or Mampeni be to actually say no the umpe. And it may be what the Beko cabinet or Mampeni be jack to say what jack. Meta manam minister for information. Me they never be called cabinet or Mampeni to actually say umpe. Me they never be called cabinet or Mampeni get to say or the two. Say Ubika se Felix and a running the entire Ghanaian media space. Me imagine it is a no correct. Or you're only a minister. Nipo is responsible for the president of the republic. So Felix, the idea be corner say ye jitu mua. Felix will own so tena obeka say idea we no dey buy any jitu. But Obika say Felix na in charge of the entire Ghanaian media space. Imagine it is a no correct. But so they make an what you say. Sa so na tie say Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia or the ideas be by cabinet ya me na me cabinet or the ideas by abani boguye say yenye or the be by abani jitu nti so be ka say Bawumia na responsible for the economy. Imagine it say he was not responsible for the economy, but me to me actually idea ba ko bi or the by a cabinet jitu mo mampani bi ejuma ba ko any domestic gold purchase program ba ko any zip line. Let me actually bring back only mobile money interoperability. Let me actually Mako by 30. I know the ejitum and Kai Bibro de buy another and they are buying yantum. You cannot say therefore say argument no with the greatest of respect infantile. Because Felix or minister responsible for government communications no or the name of the bar a bino bejatum. Or the name of the best so abide the Becas on you too. Near abide G2 mono. Felix won't cancel Becas or no this idea and buy. By him to me in Castle or no responsible for the whole media space in Ghana.
So the word your mammy, ever comments. How you Penyah Media.